Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video Christmas wreath decoration ideas. Classical red and green wreath. Start with a plain green wreath base, add red ribbon, golden bands, and pink ones. Place a bigger elbow at the bottom for a beautiful finish. These classical designs look perfect for any front door. Take a wreath and spray it with white paint of snow, fake snow. Add silver ornaments, white flowers, and glitter star. This snow wreath gives your home a magical winter wonderland look. Nature wreath for a richer style. Use pink cones, wooden star, and try orange slice. Ribbon on top. This nature wreath feeling cozy and feel amazing with the dry fruits. Glamorous golden. Decorate the wreath with golden ornaments, glitter leaves, and shiny ribbons. Add a few fairy lights to make it spark at night. This wreath brings a rich, elegant holiday feeling to your home. Canvas the wreath with red and white ribbon to make it look like a canvas. Add make candies ornaments. Decorate. This fun wreath is perfect for families with kids. Viewers and attach a small lantern in the center of your wreath. Add pins, branches, leaves, and tiny ornaments around it. When the lantern lights up, the wreath look magical at night. Use different ribbon, red, green, golden, and tie them all around the wreath frame. The layer of ribbon make the wreath full and festive. It's easy, colorful, and cheerful. Family photo wreath. Print small family photo and place them around the wreath. Decorate with mini ornaments and fairy lights. This wreath become very personal and tell the story of your family Christmas. Viewers gifts box wreath. At a small wreath gifts box around the wreath. Use shiny wallpapers and it look like a circle of Christmas present hanging on your door. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel.